Hey everybody, welcome to Corsa Cruise Tech Tip of the Day. So for rotors, this thing right here which goes on your brakes, yeah that's right, your brake pads are inside the caliper. They push on the rotor and that stops the car, and a lot of you probably know that, but what you don't know is how to put your rotors on the right way. So today I'm going to show you. Right here you have what's called the vanes in the rotor, and this is a gyro disc rotor. And you have these little vanes here on the side. These are used for when the gas builds up between the pad and the rotor, and that dissipates some of the heat and the gas is out, so you get more pad rotor contact. And which way these are pointed does not dictate which way you should put the rotor on the car. These do. So these are shaped like this. You know, they kind of go up and back, kind of like Sonic the Hedgehog if he was rolling forward. That's kind of what you want to be looking for, because the way a rotor works, air comes into the center of the rotor back here when you're going down the road, and this works like a pump. So air goes in and air comes out of these vanes. So as the rotor is spinning like this, air is going in the inside of the back and it's coming out of here. And that's how it cools down the rotor, to keep the heat down. And that's the tech tip of the day, brought to you by Gyro Disc. Awesome brakes. We sell them and install them. They help you stop, and other people will say, wow, you stopped so fast. Okay, bye.